I really like to emphasize how important the durable powers of attorney are, because oftentimes people, when they think of an estate plan, they think, I have a will, I have an estate plan, I'm good, I'm covered. And what that shows is that there's a lack of understanding for what really are the critical components of an estate plan. The critical, and in my opinion, the most important estate planning document you can have is your durable power of attorney. That will make sure that no matter what happens to you, your affairs are not in the court, are not supervised by the court or an affair of the estate. They're kept personal. Your autonomy is safeguarded, because the people who would be managing your affairs, if you can't, are the people that you want to without any court intervention. So if you only have a will, you don't have your life planning documents, your durable power of attorney, for example, you're missing the key fundamental document. That's the document that everyone needs. People without assets need a durable power of attorney. See, a will direct assets on your death, but during your lifetime, people, whether they have assets or they don't have assets, if they lose capacity, they still want to make sure that their affairs are managed by somebody that they know and trust, not by the court. Your kids, for example, your college-age kids, heaven forbid that they're in a car accident or something terrible happens to them, but we all know that accidents do happen. Estate planning, and maybe one of the reasons that people kind of shy away from it, it's planning for worst case scenario. And planning for worst case scenario is not necessarily fun. And you don't want to think about, well, what if something terrible happens to my adult child, the one who's going off to college? If it does, though, you as the parent want to be the one who's there that can step in and take care of whatever needs to be taken care of. With the kids, not likely to be so much financial. It's more about medical. It's more about talking to the physicians and speaking and advocating on behalf of your child, getting information, being able to direct your college child's care. So durable powers of attorney, this is what I say, every adult needs them, even people who have no assets. Why? To keep the state out of everyone's business and to keep that business within the realm of the family or people that you trust. That's durable powers of attorney, and they are the most important documents in my opinion.